ban yele persya ega kambam sap kari brokawai bat kajing kamai bom hok janggi nongshang snong kari bat kumju panyada naki pisa thok hane gasngi ka pratare unai weng gade gasngi ka bandrung ha ka history jang kari India hadin ba menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulapan benai ka rai jang sarkar pedeng ban pendu no ekilot sanspa bat 6000 tangka kajing bom pediang syo ekilot sanspa tangka bat 6000 katrikam na do lasai kasngi ka khandai tarik unai weng mentau snam arajar khan rio hadin kini jing penpena jo sarkar pedeng lingbau menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi kalawan ra ka jing khiwen jing nong snong hakaleng kari hakawala sakhi ya ka jing mi Paidbah ki nong snong bandai cheki ikona bat ki bang ban kelyang no ekipisa na kilot sanspa bat 6000 kabala ai por ki Paidbah hadu menta kamiet khatar baje sitang senya jong ka pratrik unai weng hadin balami kini ka khubor ka kanhun jong ka batisi TV kalami hinne hi kamiet bandai ring dor cheki ikona bat ki bang ban sakhi kini ka jingkul mar jingmot jong ki Paidbah hakabala sakhi shisha ye ki Paidbah ki balami na ki Ïeng wat hakamiet kayong ban ya dai la ka jong ka pisa ka bagi dan hakapla
At this hour, you see that from tomorrow onwards, this 500 denomination and this 1000 will be no more acceptable. Yes. So those who have black money, for them is good. The government has taken up this steps, to you see finish off this corruption, black money. So I am very much happy, and we should, because this way we can grow our our developmental thing and all, and fund also will grow, and everybody will be happy, isn't it? So we are happy.
No, I just came to know in the news, that it is around 8:30 or so. I don't know. I have come to know it late. Yeah, that the RBI or the government has announced that 500 and 1,000 rupees notes will be invalid from tomorrow. So just came to do some transactions. Yeah. Since the ATM will be closed tomorrow and day after, I think
it's just a coincidence. Or what would I say? Because we can't. People these days need money for survival. As we can see, if there's no more 500 rupee and 1,000 rupee, so how would we survive without it? That's the thing. See, like now, if for example, tomorrow and day after tomorrow there won't be any more money for 100. For example, there's no $100 anymore. So what will we do? We can't buy food, nor we can't even use our vehicle anymore, because who will use money for the fuel? Who will use 100 rupee for the fuel? We have to use it for the food. We have to fill our stomach. We have to survive. So in order for that, I guess we have to save the 100 rupee. But it's such a coincidence that the government just did this at this time, even that's at midnight. So I think it's a big thing even for the people itself. So they should have even given time. That's what I think about it. They should have given time.
I think the idea is good. The idea is good, but it has taken everyone by surprise and it's caught everyone on the wrong foot. That's what, and it's causing a hell lot of inconvenience to us, everyone. So we don't know how. We'll wait and see how things goes on. But right now, it's a hell lot of inconvenience. That's all.
So when you long hagdak, long sendet, come at least glad in I pouring it and yet. That's why. Nem noi ka ba kay bukila rai ting bansing habya mare watch ting met buke na so ko por kam byang su hiru gala sa stang skanta mantang athang poi su hiru te ngim tep ke balok bagalong hagdak ke ki banja hadin ngim tep ke bangi hable ngim tep ha ke ngim bansing suan mare ta last minute ko
ngan ong kumnu kan Namar hakasi klimat ipor ibalengkot tingi beliau te lalong babi nya nyumna imban le Namar ba habala ka sarkar merikat badan lat iting hapan persang menilai Namar ngidang dan halenti je Nenek jing dia kalau long bawa palat ni, aku pikir yang pada perkat nak mentah kini ki belakang ni cakap bahan nak mentah ki menurut smart kan. Rena mentah pat kar badan buat ubah kumno istan spa sejar ni dan ben. Tapi kalau jing kata ajur kan, badan mentah pindah yang dia babuan hiri ubah bom dia badan ben, tang katung kena gudi ki badan ki bawara ki pelabah ya.
Em ngitip ba ki ong ban ya thep ipisai ba don điện soi ru mo te ba ki ong la sai ba ki ong khang bang te ngia thep ta kin ban yo se ba dai we pa tang ta ngitip em bi wan hang nir ngia pe kin kum nui le upai ba ya don langkat ni te long ngia mo ba ngitip itu khubor ba ban haga news te long ka ta daw ngia wan kum ne em te la da kan long kum ne dum di tang manga ma phi te baro ngi jinjar lang ngi mde ga basuk bagi le kum ne
Karang juga sorkar pedeng hi ban penduk no ya kalut sanspa bat Syehajar tengka kalong ban yele persya ya kikam bamsam ya kapisa thok bat kikam pentriam jigile no akan negeri India henry hatu kani karai bakensan juga sorkar pedeng ke balasan syar ke BJP hapok ka jingelam jong Narendra Modi kumu menteri rang baduk kari kanom kata amu ya uduk usuk kani kedai ke bentah ke bagi Paidbah ru kilapan pau ya ke jing sengau benyau.
In some parts of rural areas and all, especially they don't. I don't think so that they are having this electricity and all. They don't have this what do you call facilities to watch out this TV and all. So they are in dark. So for them at least it should be like relaxed. The relaxation should be given to those rural who are staying in rural areas and all. So that is what I think 31st December have given.
The deadline.
Yes, deadline.
It will be very inconvenient for them because every day-to-day transaction has to go on. They have to earn their livelihood. So if such denominations of money is not going to be valid, then there will be problems. The rural people, if not only the rural, even the urban areas, they will face a lot of problem, a lot of inconvenience.
So it's because like if I can deposit money, then I can take out some money from some ATM, like 100 rupees, just to run the family and like to get some to buy some food and all. Because as we see nowadays, people don't give 100 rupees, and we even know that like most of the ATM doesn't have 100 rupee, so we have to. In order to get 100 rupee, you have to survive. So like, actually, I'm struggling to get 100 rupee. That's all.
No, the way that it has been, implemented, it is too sudden. There should be a proper time given, no? That's what I feel. It's all of a sudden, and it has left the public unprepared for such kind of a thing.
I think it's a good idea, but the way it is being done so suddenly, it's got everyone on the wrong foot. So it's causing a hell lot of inconvenience. That's all I have to say.
I am not an expert to make comments on this, but whatever that has been implemented, it's not done in a proper manner. That's what I can say. No?
Yes, for them at least the government should give extension to deposit especially the farmers and all, because they are living from hand to mouth and all. No, so for them we have to think for rural areas.
Forget about the middle class people, those uneducated lot who make a daily living, who have no idea about bank transactions. They are the one who is going to suffer. We somehow will manage somehow. But what about those daily wage earners? How will they get by?
Hadian baka sorkar pedeng kalapan benai ya kani karai tangha kani kanong ba shlong ru la sakhi ke jingmi ki Paidbah ban lek keliang ki lot sanspa bat Syehajar na ki ikona bat ki bang bat don ru ki balek ban pendot ya ki pisa jongki daga balek seulek tada shimet hadu menta kami dite bun na ki mahajan kidang pediang ya kini ki kot he handai ke jingkeli kalong ban du la syai ke sngi ke khandai trek unai weng kat nungun na kiri Paidbah ki ban ya kendu ki jing na kani karai.
Just say, you give him that 500. You don't have change. चेंज खत्म हो गया।
It's because you didn't have change or because
नहीं चेंज नहीं, वन ऑफ सडन पता नहीं सर, चीज पूरा खत्म हो गया। हम तो 500 का ले रहा है, 1000 भी ले रहा है, कस्टमर्स बार दे बाइंग, हम सब पैसा ले रहा हूँ। मैडम 500 1000 जो भी दे रहा है कस्टमर सब ले रहा है।
आज रात तक मतलब
हाँ ले रहे हैं, हम लोग तो बंद करने का टाइम इतना कस्टमर आ गया, वी कैन नॉट क्लोज, वी हैव टू गिव देम थिंग्स सर। हम तो दे रहा है 500 का नोट, 1000 का नोट, जो कस्टमर दे रहा है सब ले रहा है, ले रहा है सर। कल तो पता नहीं कल क्या होगा सर, लेकिन अभी जो खुला है तो कस्टमर्स आर कमिंग, वी कैन नॉट से नो, हम लोग जो देता है लेता है वो।
मतलब वो डिसीजन का बात नहीं,
नहीं वो कस्टमर को रिटर्न नहीं कर रहा है, जो जितना का नोट दे रहा है हम लोग सब ले रहे हैं वो।
अच्छा ठीक है।
वो तो आपके सामने कस्टमर जो 500 भी देता है, आई एम टेलिंग हिम जो भी है आप और सामान चाहिए ले लीजिए, 500 का भी कोई बात नहीं।
मतलब अगर 300-400 बिल होने से तो आप 500 एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
हाँ कर रहा है वो, हम तो सब नोट कर रहा है, लेकिन चेंज ही नहीं, वो वन ऑफ सडन हो गया ना, सब खत्म हो गया चेंज।
Nakani karai bakan san jong sarkar National Democratic Alliance henne kamiet hi om tang bangila sakhi ya ka jingmi Paidbah ki nong snong hanrai ka ba ishon jengmut ba wat ki kan thai ru ki ha banyami a kamiet ka yong bat ka ban kham khata le se kan dei ki Paidbah a ki than nong kan dong bat kham tam ki to ki bom don ya ka jingnang jing start
Aga don kasem jing hi kasem jing hi ngi kan thai man hami steng men kamangi man sepan namar ba lada ngin shu pat pisah hapo Ïeng ru sakim tre shu long ke ba ya habane mi
Lah kan no kan ta lawan yang lain ni.
em nang tang sipang pang ni
Yo setiap kono betul.
yo knai steng spoduna
Dekat ni mi pihak bami pikum ki kan thai ni tam phimar wei bon bami ha kan ni ka to so kono long so ya ha kan ni ka rajong sakar India.
em kane te ka bam na long pi ka don ka ta hi barok khon kham tam yu duk sung ka ta hi
Hadian Bau Menteri Rang Badu ke riu lapan banai ya kini ke jing bom ya chu ke pisa ha kalut sanspa bat jar ki barem kumba kalong ha ka jing sha ki Paidbah kim dei tang ban chukul mar jingmon hendrai ki dei ru ban tep e ki lat kilenti kumnu ban ya dai ke pisa jong ki kat kum ke jing pen bana jong sarkar pedeng kalong ban adu ka shpho tarik unai weng hadu ka lai pho tarik uno pra mentau snam ki Paidbah ki la ban keliang ya ke pisa ha kalut sanspa bat jar tengka ha barok ki bang bat post office ki ba jantam e bat ke jakasa jongki da ka baki pen i ki dolar ki badan kam kum ka pan card Aadhaar card bat epic card andrei ban sai ka pisa ha ka shisngi ki Paidbah kila ban sai tang shi 4000 ha ka shisngi bat ar 4000 ha ka shitayo
देश को भ्रष्टाचार और काले धन रूपी दिमक से मुक्त कराने के लिए एक और सख्त कदम उठाना जरूरी हो गया है। आज मध्यरात्रि यानी 8 नवंबर 2016 की रात्रि को 12 बजे से वर्तमान में जारी 500 रुपए और 1000 रुपए के करेंसी नोट लीगल टेंडर नहीं रहेंगे। ये मुद्राएं कानूनन अमान्य होगी।
ki ATM ha ka khandai tarik mentau nai weng kin om trikam ha borok koi kari handrai ha ka shpho tarik om ha boro handrai kin don kat tu kat ni ki batrikam kat ba ha khat wei tarik kin trikam tang ba phin om yo e kilot sanspa bat jar ka jing tip ka ba khat du hi ki Paidbah ka long banadu ka khat wei tarik mentau nai weng ka pisa ha ka lot sanspa bat jar kandang ya ki babuon ki jing e thiet kan thop ru ha ki hospital